Cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important for organizations and individuals. Uh, we have observed that in the last few months, major brands and organizations have been affected by cyber attacks or by data breaches. So big names like BigBasket, Airtel, MobiKwik, Unacademy, JustPay. These are some of the Indian names that have been victims of cyber attacks. And internationally also, we have seen recently Colonial Pipeline and JBS uh, were cyber attacked in the last few weeks. As individuals and families, we are also extremely vulnerable to cyber attacks because of the humongous volume of personal data, videos, photos that we have stored in YouTube, Instagram, Skype, or emails and Google. The impact on organizations will is even more devastating because organizations can lose their data, they can lose revenue, as well as the entire reputation of the organization can be impacted because of cybersecurity attacks. Now, how should we respond to uh, the situation? We could respond in multiple ways as individuals, as society, and as organizations. To begin with, as individuals, there are several cyber hygiene practices that we need to practice. Um, Everywhere, banks, colleges, um, every institution keeps training us and warning us to follow these practices. Many of them you would have heard in various forums, so just begin practicing them. One thing that we need to take note of is that cyber attacks are becoming more and more complex. The methods are becoming very varied, and the approach by the hackers and the data breachers is much more innovative beyond what we have anticipated. As we prepare for meeting the cybersecurity challenge, we need to understand that cybersecurity is very multidimensional and very, very complex. As a societal response, efforts are underway at multiple levels, at central government, state government, local government levels, to bring together the enforcement authorities like police, um, the army, the lawyers, prosecutors, um, schools, colleges in cyber education and what do you say, cyber empowerment of all sections of society along with industry. So this is a collective response by society that's happening at all levels. Corporate organizations are working at strengthening cyber security at multiple levels, at the network, application, the information infrastructure, to keep the organization cyber safe and protected from cybercrime. Protecting corporates requires investing and leveraging multiple technologies. There is a bewildering choice of technologies in identity management, mobile security, application security, IoT security. So each technology is very, very complex, and an organization, small or big, will have to choose the right combination of technologies and orchestrate it to keep the company safe. The rapidly changing technologies and the solutions that are coming in the market to meet uh, the fast changing scene in cybersecurity is leading to exponential growth in the cybersecurity market. So it's estimated that the current market is over $200 billion worldwide. Even in India, the market for cyber products is estimated to be over $1 billion, and in the next 2 to 3 years, it's estimated to go to $1.6 billion. The induction of the latest technologies to protect to provide cybersecurity is happening much faster than the pace at which skills are able to be developed in those technologies. So this is leading to a very huge cybersecurity skill gap across the world. So globally, it is estimated that more than 4 million open positions are there in cybersecurity, um, in all over Asia Pacific, North America, Europe, Latin America. In many parts of US, the available supply is only about 50% of the estimated demand. 70% of global organizations are suffering from acute shortage of cybersecurity professionals. And finally, all this means that there's an exciting growth opportunity for young professionals to enter and build their cybersecurity career. So people could enter at any level, So see, because the market is so wide and so deep, there are opportunities across the spectrum and at all levels. So one can be a cyber penetration tester or a cybersecurity architect or an engineer, or an IT auditor. And the best part is cybersecurity offers exciting career opportunities for students and freshers from all disciplines, from IT, engineering, commerce, MBA, humanities, science, and law. So you you need to take understand the market opportunities and prepare for a for an exciting career in cybersecurity.